Much like in July and August at the height of the southwest monsoon when the flood control project fiasco first came to light, the northeast monsoon this time has exposed more shenanigans of the flood control scam in the province of Cebu, where a poorly built dike fell apart at the peak of Tino's Passage to drench, drown, and devastate all hapless villagers living along and around the river. This report.
A village in Liloan, Cebu was left in ruins. Bodies were pulled out from debris and forested areas. Entire families were swept away. Lanny Pepito found his parents already lifeless after floodwaters washed out their home in Barangay Kotkot.
Masakit, Ma'am. Umiiyak kami, yung mga kapatid ko. Iyak ng iyak kasi yung ama kasi namin, Ma'am, mabait.
Libby Mahinay survived, but only after breaking through the ceiling, climbing to the roof, and shielding her child as waters rose to her neck.
Nakagano na lang kami, tapos hanggang dito na yung tubig. May mga sugat kami kasi pinaakyat kami. Doon na kami sa bubong hanggang nag-umaga. Ang lamig talaga. Hindi namin kaya, pero nag-ano na lang kami ng lakas na loob para mabuhay.
Kotkot turned into a disaster zone. Roads cut off, communication down, and floodwaters rising nearly 2 stories high. Homes crushed, trees uprooted, electric posts scattered. Cars were damaged everywhere. Survivors blame failed flood control dikes for the ordeal they all suffered, saying it collapsed as torrents surged.
Yung sapa kasi namin pumutok yung ginawa nilang dike. Yun. Tapos napundo yung tubig. Tapos may mga pader. Pag was out ng mga pader, ayun, yung tubig talagang pumunta na.
Malaki ang tubig, Ma'am.
Opo, ang laki talaga.
So yung flood control po yung nasira, kailan po yung ginawa?
Hindi pa yun tapos eh.
Tagal na yung ginawa, Ma'am, pero walang patapos-tapos.
At the site, the dike wall split like a biscuit. Steel bars thin, exposed, and rust-stained. Residents demand accountability.
Sana maimbestigahan talaga ito. Ito talagang tunay na dapat imbestigahan dahilan. Dahil daming namatay ng mga tao.
Poorly planned, poorly executed, and we don't know kung may kalokohan din dito. So that will be up to the ICI investigators to find out. Pero definitely, kailangan may mga mananagot dito. Lives were lost here. Hindi to basta bahay lang.
39 bodies have been recovered in Kotkot River. 20 are residents of Liloan. The death toll has surged to 131 for the province and city of Cebu. Search and rescue operations continue. 137,394 people remain in evacuation centers. Many are still hungry and waiting for relief.
Nawas out ang bahay namin. Lahat-lahat. Wala kaming tulugan. Wala kaming mga damit, mga bata, walang mga pagkain, wala lahat was out.
Pang 3 days na rin din. Pang 3 days na ngayon,
Wala kaming mabibilhan.
Dumating na pagkain. No tulong na dumating dito.
Local officials are racing to clear mud-choked roads and deliver aid while survivors plead for food, water, and shelter. This is Sharms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.